Brooksaw Antiques here. Today we have this 1960 Hermes Rocket vintage portable typewriter. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. Up top of the margins, and you can just push them down and move them like this. I'm going to set this one close to 0 and this right one close to 75, about the length of the page. And it's got a paper support arm that flips up from the back. And this is the paper bell that sits on top of the page, and it's got a scale on it. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. You hit this line space, gets you back to the beginning. It skips 1 or 2 spaces. Right now we have it on single, but if you want double, you just flip this switch forward and it skips 2. We're going to keep that on single for now and finish typing. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence in red on the next line. I switch from black to red. There's a switch on the right side. Flip that all the way up. Beautiful typing machine. This also has an option to print in the middle of the ribbon. So we'll do that real quick. So that's unique to the Hermes. Some of the 3000s also have this function where you can just print the middle of the ribbon. So I'll show you close up. The top one is all the keys in black, and the second line is just red, and the third line is red and black. It's kind of hard to tell on that last line, but it's just kind of hitting in the middle. Very nice typing machine. To pull the page out easy, there's a switch on the right side here. Just flip it forward and it unlocks the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to pull the page out easier. Load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. Make sure you flip that back before we load the next page, or else it won't load correctly. We're going to flip this down to the left. And it just locks in there. So these are probably the more luxurious portable typewriters ever made. It's very compact. So like, as far as it being so compact and so high quality is rare. And it just has something about it. Like the Hermes Rocket, it's all metal. It's thin metal, but it's metal, and very lightweight. And just the look of it, the colors of it, the chrome with the green and the gray and the metal, something about it is just super attractive. So it's very popular and very rare to find something in good condition that works like this. So if you like it, it's your chance to get one. Shift on each side and the shift lock on the left. To clear that, just hit the shift button again. Backspace on the top right works good. This one on the left that has arrows going each way is the margin release. So you get to the end of the margin, it will block you from typing. You just hit that and it'll allow you to get past that block. And the same with the left margin. So if you want to get past that left margin, you just hit that with the carriage release at the same time. It's got one carriage release on the right side here on this model. And nothing much on the back besides the margins. And this is the line space indicator. If you push it all the way back, it'll disable the spacing when you turn the knob. Oh, maybe not. So this model doesn't have that function, I guess. So it's just got 1 and 2, and maybe, nope, I guess it doesn't have one of the features to disable the spacing, unless somebody can just, unless I'm missing something here. It does have a lid that goes on top, and with the line space, you push that part of the lever back and it tucks in, so you put it in the case. If you have the carriage in the middle, it'll fit on there. Right there. Tuck that line space in, and then it just clips in, and it's got a handle that extends, and it's got that pretty color, greenish, so you can carry it. It's a little swivel handle, and to open these 2 buttons, just press up and you just lift it straight up. And that's it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.